Hello and welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm the founder of Sociable AI, and here's a quick tutorial on how to maximize discovery so you can start blowing up in the comment section of viral posts within your niche. First thing you want to do when you hop on Discovery is install the browser extension. Browser extension is what enables us to track your comment, but also copy paste the comment into Instagram comment section for you to manually post. Next up, we have our virality alert for Slack. I strongly recommend installing this one. You will receive a ping in your Slack channel whenever there is a lot of viral content that you should engage with. Now, with this Slack notification, we'll go ahead and send you a thumbnail, summary, and a comment now button, which you can click on to react fast and comment and engage with viral posts within your niche. Feel free to check out our alert setting in order for you to control how frequently and when you want to receive these alerts. Last step is integrating your social media account. Please go ahead and click Setting, Integration, Add Integration, and you can go ahead and go through the flow to connect your Facebook page and Instagram account. Afterward, please assign the right profile to your integration, and that's pretty much it. You're good to go. Now, I personally like to make sure that my content filter is well optimized. You want to pay attention to interest, topic, and format. Now, for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and put in healthy chicken recipe. And to make sure that I'm only getting real food recipe content, I'm going to go ahead and put topic as a food and beverage. In this context, this is a and relationship, meaning they're constraining each other, and they both conditions have to be true for us to show that content. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click tutorial as my format. This way, we're ensuring that every content that we show you is going to be a recipe video. Now, once you do that, you may come across a sign that says you found a gem. This simply means that you're the first user who ever searched this keyword. So we're going to quickly just check our backend, make sure we have all the hashtags, all the posts that's appropriate for you. And if not, we're going to go ahead and start scraping more hashtags and more content. And yeah, you don't necessarily have to wait or worry about this. You will see a small sign on the bottom of your interest groups where we're kind of letting you know that we're still scraping and checking the hashtags. Now on the top side, we have a time-sensitive section. These are all the content that we're predicting that is going to go viral, and it's the ones that we really want you to comment on. Now, if you see a video that looks quite promising, go ahead and click View Comment to engage with it. If you click View and Comment, we're going to have a side panel that expands on the right side of your screen. Here, we will have 3 comment suggestions. Feel free to make any edits to it, and if you do, it's going to be a feedback for future responses. If you are happy with the comment, please go ahead and click Post. And what happens is we're going to go ahead and open a new Instagram tab with the comment populated in the comment section for you to manually post one more time. And there you go. There's your first comment using Sociable AI. Now here's the crazy part. After you post your first comment, definitely check out our History tab. This is where we automatically scrape the amount of estimated impression as well as comment likes that you've gotten on your comments. We also have Analytics tabs, and this is where we show you the amount of impressions that you have aggregated over time. We also have top performing comments on the right section, and definitely check that out too. Thanks for listening, and I hope this video was useful. And by the way, it's really important for us to be able to chat with our customers. So if you ever want to talk about social media marketing or how our platform works, or even my childhood history, feel free to book a meeting on our website or reach out to me via email, thomas@sociable.how.